Hi, this is Bryan from MondoCat. Today we're going to talk to you about bait. The idea of going out and getting your own bait. Instead of going out there to the bait shop and buying that really expensive store-bought bait, let's go ahead and catch our own bait. Go out and get crick chubs, fatheads, bluegill. Get out there in the creek and get your own bait. And you know what? That's also fishing. So we're already having fun just getting bait. All you need is just a lighter pole, some light line, a little smaller reel. You need things like bobbers, split shots, and hooks. Well, MondoCat is here, guys. We got a kit that's got everything in place. We have a little carrying case here. We have a couple 1-inch bobbers. We have some tin split shots. You're going to lose a few of these, so we don't use lead. That's putting lead in the creek. We don't want to do that. So tin split shots. We have a number 2 long shank brass hooks that do have a barb on them. We pull that in our carrying case. And then we put a little bit of cotton on top of it. Keeps everything from rattling around. When you're out there along the creek, along the shoreline getting your bait, you're going to see things like deer and wildlife and turkeys. And if you got this rattle around in your pocket, you make a little bit of noise, you're not going to see that wildlife. So you got to go out, you're going to be quiet, you're going to get your bait, you're going to see wildlife, you're going to have fun fishing, you're going to save money because you're getting your own bait. So MondoCat Get Bait Kit online. This is Bryan from MondoCat saying, have a great day.